Okay. So can we see that bright light? Can we? Shit, my camera can't see it. आ रहा है? That is the International Space Station. Oh my God. यार, how can I can't pick it? अच्छा, थोड़ी देर में आएगा शायद. ये देख रहा है?
हाँ नजर आ रहा है मुझे.
वो सन की लाइट है एक्चुअली, जो है ना
अच्छा
वो
ये
सूरज की किरणें पड़ रही है उस पे, इसलिए वो. कितना टाइम हो गया हमारा? हाँ, 5:51. Awesome. Oh yes, I can pick it. I can pick it. Okay, yeah, that light. That light is the International Space Station.
अब मुझे भी ना आना ठीक ही है.
5:51 morning. That's the International Space Station moving across Slough. 30th March 2012. And that's a train, if you're wondering what the noise is. We're standing. Awesome. This is amazing. I've waited for like bloody a whole year. Thanks, for the first time there is no clouds in the sky and I can actually see. Okay, and one more thing, guys. This in the light that you can see is actually the sunlight which is being reflected from the surface. And my eyes are not very clear. However, and one of the good things about this sighting is that this is the longest sighting that I have known it for. Like it'll be available in the sky for 5 minutes, and it's so freaking clear, man. All right, right above your head. That's really nice. And that, my dear friends, is ISS. Okay, so it started from 10 degrees above west, uh, and it has kept going on. This is going towards east southeast, and as you can see, it is beautiful. Okay. So you can see gradually it'll go away. Among the trees. I think we have lost it now, have we?
No.
Huh? No, I can't see it on my camera anymore.